Tired of staring at a blank canvas? Feeling lost in a sea of confusing creative tablets? Well, fret no more, artistic warriors. This is the Creative Tablet Smackdown, and we're about to throw down in an epic battle for the best digital news. Best price by links of all these products are in description. Calling all creators. Ditch the buyer's remorse and navigate the confusing world of creative tablets with this epic throwdown. We're here to separate the budget brawlers from the pro powerhouses, so you can unleash your inner Picasso without breaking the bank or your spirit. Number 5. In the priciest corner, the Apple iPad Pro, 12.9-inch, $999 and up, reigns supreme. This sleek machine boasts a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display that'll make your creation sing, and a powerful A-series chip that tackles demanding tasks like video editing with ease. But hold on to your beret, because the price tag will make your wallet weep. And don't forget to factor in the Apple Pencil, sold separately, $129, because without it, this beauty is just a fancy glass slab. Number 4. Looking for a powerhouse without the designer price tag? The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, $1,099 and up, throws its hat into the ring. This Android tablet boasts a massive 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, perfect for those who need a lot of screen real estate. Plus, the included S Pen lets you unleash your artistic genius without the need for an extra purchase. Just be prepared to shell out a hefty sum, it's not exactly pocket change. Number 3. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8, $1,099 to $2,599, enters the arena as a versatile 2-in-1 laptop tablet. This bad boy packs a powerful Intel processor for demanding creative tasks, and lets you choose between a 13-inch or 15-inch display depending on your workspace needs. But here's the catch, the Surface Pen is sold separately, $129, adding another sting to your wallet. Overall, the Surface Pro 8 is a great option, but the price might leave you feeling a little deflated. Number 2. Now, let's talk affordability. The HUION Kamvas Pro 13 graphic tablet, $239 to $399, is the champion for budget-conscious creators. This bad boy offers a pressure-sensitive pen for drawing and sketching, and a decent 13.3-inch Full HD display, all at a price that won't break the bank. However, keep in mind that it requires connection to a PC or Mac, so it's not exactly a standalone solution. Number 1. Finally, for those who prioritize affordability over bells and whistles, the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3, $349 and up, joins the fight. This Chromebook detachable is a great option for basic creative tasks and everyday use. But here's the thing, it lacks a pressure-sensitive pen, so forget about professional-grade drawing. Think of it as a creative dabbler, not a full-fledged artist's weapon. So, there you have it. From the high-end Apple iPad Pro to the budget-friendly HUION Kamvas Pro 13, this creative tablet throwdown has hopefully shed some light on your perfect match. Now go forth and create.